In this tutorial, we are going to learn about percent. If you see the word percent, it has two parts, per and cent. Let's first understand meaning of per. Take this example. The question says, we have 50 students in our class and we have 2 apples per student. How many apples do we have? So focus on this word, per student. So obviously the answer would be 50 multiplied by 2, we will have 100 apples. Now per means, if you observe closely, per means for each. Word per, for each or for every. Put same meaning in this word percent. So per means for every. And cent is a short form for century, which is 100. So percent means per 100, for each 100. That means 1 upon 100. So if you see this percent, which is represented by symbol like this symbol or percent means 1 upon 100. So we can say that percent is just a special fraction. It's a special fraction which is equal to 1 upon 100. This you have to remember, that percentage means 1 upon 100. It's as simple as that. Now if you convert any percentage, for example in these examples, 5%, you write 5 and this symbol percent is equal to 1 upon 100. So 5 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 5 upon 100. So you have converted percent to a fraction form, into a fraction. In this example, 100%. So 100 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 100 upon 100. This is also a fraction form. 126%. 126 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 126 upon 100. So these are all conversion of percentage to fraction.